Welcome back to this channel of spirituality, health, and wellness. I'd like to address to you today about the breathing techniques. Some of the breathing techniques where you can expand your lungs and have a lot of oxygen. Because I feel that many people are complaining about this whole aspect of oxygen. See, there are various methods where you can really develop this oxygen in your body. There are various types of breathings where you can actually build up a good lungs. You can expand your whole lungs with the abdomen and the lungs. There are several people who have produced certain things. I will give you very simple things which you can do at home, because some of them are very complicated where you have to go for advanced stages of doing those things. But simple things, it's enough at this moment. Once the pandemic is over, then you can learn a lot of things. I'll also release the advanced stage a little later of breathing exercises. There are first of all, when you find the difficulty of nasal breathing, in Varma we have this point. You have to press this one and just keep it out for some time, where it will release the nasal congestions. You just keep it for 15 seconds to 30 seconds like this. See, like this, and then release it. You can also press it down later with second point. This one, same thing, but gives nasal congestion will be released. Still you have nasal congestion, you put your hand here on the bone. There is a bone over here. Put it here and keep this, or you can put this finger here and insert this one here and keep it here and pull it, and with this finger just pull this here and breathe. So your nasal congestion here is getting over. It will get okay. Put this inside the ear and hold this bone tightly, and with this finger pull it upwards. You have to pull this upward and then breathe. You can see that the nasal congestion gets distorted. Your breathing gets okay. Second type of breathing, what I would like to recommend to you is Bhastrika, where you can do expansion of this lungs. You can simply hold this finger like this one, or you can hold it like this one. Raise it upwards, and when you do downwards, you have to blow through your nose outside. And then any nasal disruption will come out. See, like this one. Like this you can do, keep on doing for 20 times, and any disturbances inside your nasal region will take a flow outside. This is very simple method. And another way of doing it is also very simple. Same thing, you can do it another way. Look up like this. Breathe through your nose and leave it through your nose in a very forceful way. Your chin should touch down. I'll do this way. This way you have to do, wherein your nasal congestion goes out. This one. This is also same Bhastrika. You can do this way, or also you can stand up and do. There are various methods of doing the same breathing. You can do it. Another important type of breathing where you can do is dog breathing, where people have already recommended. Many people don't do this when they get a congestion. People forget about it totally. Please do this one. It's very essential and very nice. Any irritation in the throat, the first one what I did was Bhastrika. Any congestion inside your nasal will go away immediately, and any congestion here in your throat, you get some irritation in this throat, that will go away. And how to do that, I'll just teach you. You have to breathe through your nose, take it inside, then when you leave it, put your tongue outside, and then breathe it out from your tongue. And there will be a certain sort of noise coming out from your mouth. Don't get worried. Go to another place separately, in a toilet or on your terrace or somewhere, and do this in a private way, okay? I'll just do it once for you. See, this is the way. I'll do it again for you in the side way. You'll know it. Breathe nicely. Like this you have to do, keep on doing for 20 times. Any disturbances here, without even gargling, you can get rid of that by your breathing. And the third important part is Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati actually requires a lot of training, and I can do that training for you in one or two methods now. But actually it requires a lot of training for you to do Kapalabhati, because it is consisting of the Kapala and the exercise which you do, no? For the lungs, it is very good, and also for your whole system and for the brain, it is very good. So I'll do once for you, just watch it, and then you can. It's actually breathing through your nostrils, once and then leaving all the air out. Then you have to continuously blow out the air from your nostrils without opening your mouth. Keep on blowing. Then last one is you have to blow inside, then keep the air inside your chest. Then do the chin lock. You have to do the chin lock. Then you have to do the navel lock and the anal lock. You have to do 3 locks. You have to lock them. You have to do this one, and then you have to pull the belly inside, and the anus you have to pull it inside. So and then keep the air inside there for 10 counts. Then leave it on your left side. This is my left side. You can leave it. You can close this one and leave it on your left side. Slowly you have to leave. And after leaving, again you have to do it again continuously. So this one will keep the lungs expanded and lot of oxygen will go inside your body. I'll do it once for you. So 15 counts or 16 counts, I leave it outside. Again I can do it. This is Kapalabhati exercise, and the most important exercise is to balance both the lungs. You have to do Nadi breathing. That is, you have to breathe from your left side. This is moon breathing on your left and sun breathing on your right. You have to do, you have to first exhale everything, and then you have to inhale through your left side, and then exhale. If you inhaled 8 counts, then you have to do exhale 16 counts on your right side, and then again inhale 8 counts. Keep it inside for another 10 counts inside, and then release it for another 16 counts outside through your left. And keep on doing, then both the lungs will become into balance. That is called Nadi breathing. It's very essential. See, I'll do it once for you, then you know, because I can't keep the video running long. I'll do it little later for you in a long way. Now I exhale outside all the air that is in my stomach. Again, breathe inside. Exhale. So if you keep on doing this one, your lungs will get exercise, and also your brain also will get more oxygen. Also your lungs will get more of oxygen. Your whole body, your organs, everything will get, your skin, your tissues, everything will become very bright and beautiful. So please do this breathing exercise, simple breathing exercise. Later I'll do it in a very deeper way, all the breathing exercise separately, pranayama and everything, because this is part of our Indian culture. That is no religion attached to this one. It is part of our system and the body and everything. This is nothing connected with any religion. I'll warn you for this one. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.